All right, so Martin Luther King Jr. weekend is always a busy time for local ski resorts. 22 News reporter Mike Mascadrelli spoke with skiers and riders in Blandford today and shows us how this weekend's snowstorm has impacted ski conditions there.
Ski resorts are seeing big crowds this weekend in western Massachusetts. Many families traditionally take ski trips for Martin Luther King Jr. weekend, and on Sunday, skiers and riders hit the slopes in Blandford that was blanketed with 4 inches of natural snow Saturday night.
It couldn't have hit at a better time, to be quite honest with you. You always like to get a little bit of natural snow coming into the weekends anyways, and being an extended weekend with Martin Luther King Jr. weekend, we have Monday as a holiday too.
This latest snowstorm was really the perfect storm for Ski Blandford. It created packed powder conditions. People here told us what it was like skiing and riding on the mountain Sunday.
I would say so. This morning with the fresh powder, it made it really clean, real easy to make turns.
This was the view skiers and riders had of the snow-covered mountain from the chairlift. Many of them who come to Blandford are local families.
I've skied actually here since I was 3 years old with my family, so to get our girls out on the slope, it's a close ride, it's convenient, and it's very family friendly, so it's nice.
Crozier said they had more than twice the number of people Sunday than Saturday and expects it to be busy again on Monday. President's Day weekend is typically their busiest weekend of the winter. They hope to stay open until at least mid-March, weather permitting. In Blandford, Mike Mascadrelli, 22 News.